welcome back to my channel. It's Earl the Girl, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an iPhone unboxing. And I know you're like, Maggie, didn't you just do an iPhone unboxing? I did. So my girlfriend got a new work phone, and it is a iPhone 15 in black, 128 gigabytes, and she told me I could just go ahead and do the unboxing, and I was like, why not? So yeah, this is the box. It's the black. Yeah, so let's get right up into it. I love the sound. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So if you watched my previous iPhone unboxing, I have the black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. And so this is the regular 15 in aluminum. Of course, you got the regular things that come in the box. No papers, sticker, trash. And then the new cord, there's Type-C on both ends, and it's braided. And that's all they put in the box. It is really lightweight compared to my phone. Like I said, I had the black titanium 15 Pro Max, and then the 15. So it's way lighter than the 15, of course. Excuse my nails, y'all. I'm gonna get them done soon. Okay, let's get this peel. Ooh. Okay. It has the two cameras. It is 6.1 inches, and then the 15 is 6.7 inches. So. And then it just has the regular switch on it, unlike the part where it has the new action button. Let's turn her on. Turning on. I like it. I sometimes wish I would go, like I wanted to go back to a smaller size, but I just feel like once you go pro, you don't want to like go back. And I mean, the regular Pro is alright, but I don't know. I've had like bigger phones for like the past 3 of my phones, so it's like going back, I don't know. The startup. Okay, y'all, so I changed the view for a better look. Like I said, we're on the welcome screen. Just a little review. Okay, let's see. English, States. Start. Since this is not my phone, I'm gonna just set up without another device. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, it's trying to activate. That emergency. Continue. And like I said, this is her work phone, so it's already like a whole bunch of work stuff on here. So, and now all the new phones, you got the eSIM, and you don't need to put SIM cards in anymore. Alright, then they also sent her a phone case. A black phone case. Let's see. a simple black phone case. And that pretty much is it, guys. I have to let her, you know, it's her work phone, so she has to set it up how she wants it, and can't have much on it anyway. But thank you for watching, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Bye.